So yes, one more time, you all are invited in my new blog, and I hope you all would be well on your place from wherever you're watching my videos. So guys, you all would be thinking about, you all would be imagining again that again I came means he came. You are imagining that he came, he will annoy to us again. But guys, reality is different. I'm here to explain you about the difference between the imagination and reality within the 4 and 5 minutes without taking more than time of yours. Okay, so without wasting any kind of time, let me start it. And first of all, I would like to tell you, imagination versus reality has a two-way to watch, that how we are watching, how we are taking to both one. Okay, in the one way, if I talk about to the imagination and reality, like we are taking to the imagination as a easy way, and to the reality we are taking as a burden. If I illustrate you, like you are imagining in the future I will have the car, I will have the, we can say, luxury life, I will have the lots of money. But reality is different. There would be the too much hurdles which you will have to complete. There would be the lots of challenges, there would be the lots of circumstances which you will have to complete, you will have to cross, then you will be able to get these all kind of thing whatever you are imagining. So because of it, because of the challenges, because of the hurdles, because of the circumstances, 95% people are not be able to get the success, but they are imagining, and 5% people are able to get the success because they are with the imagination. They are just watching to the reality that whatever action will come, whatever action I will have to do, I will complete it, and I will get into the I will get the success in my future, whatever the problem, circumstance, the challenge will come. Okay, and if I talk about to the imagination to the versus reality in a different way, in the another way, like to the imagination we are taking as a burden, and to the reality as a take a easier. Like if I talk about with the study, if I relate with the study, like if you are not studying in a whole day, or if you are not studying daily, and when examination came, so on that time you are thinking that there is too much burden I will have. You are you started to take the, we can say, you started to take the stress, and you demotivate to yourself. Why? Because you were not studying daily, and you are taking as to the imagination, you are imagining there would be the too much burden. But reality is different, guys. When you start to study daily, when you complete your work daily, so on that time reality is different. Like you are completing your work daily, so there would be the lot different. Like there would be the very less work which you will have to complete, and it would be very easy to cross to the examination. So in the conclusion, I would like to tell you that the imagination, how come? Only because of the overthinking, and the overthinking how comes? Because of the lack of work, so lack of the action. If you want to get the success whatever you are imagining in the future, so you have to focus onto the action, not onto the imagination into the reality. Reality has its place, and imagination has its place, but you have to focus into the, and you have to believe into the action, because action decrease your overthinking and even to the imagination. Last only I would like to tell you that if you want to get the success in your future, so focus onto the goal, focus on your work, focus onto the action, because action decrease your overthinking, action decrease your stress.